Ladies and gentlemen, scholars from India, Oxford and Cambridge, prepare yourselves for precision. Please rise and welcome.
Today we do not just study grammar, we command it. What if English had no modals? Language is not only about what we say, but how we say it. Modal verbs are the pulse of possibility. Without modals, language is stone. He goes, he can go, he must go. The moment you add a modal, the sentence breathes. Modals form attitude. He can go, he will go, he must go. Each carries a different shade of confidence, duty, or possibility. Attitude matters. Modals reveal how the speaker feels about the action. Must is a command, should is a suggestion, might is a chance, and may is permission. Tone changes everything. You must attend. You should attend. One sounds strict, the other sounds respectful. What can you do? Ability, can, could. She can solve any problem easily. We use ability modals when expressing what someone can do. Precision builds excellence. Modals fine-tune meaning. Seeking approval. We use permission modals when asking or granting approval. May, can, could. For example, may I leave early today? Duty or choice. Obligation, must to should. You must submit your form by Friday. We use must when obligation is strong. Give wise advice. You should, ought to, had better. For example, you should revise before the test. Advice modals guide gently. What might happen? May, might, could. It might rain this evening. We use these when outcome is uncertain. Certainty speaks loud. Will, shall, must. He will succeed if he tries. Prediction modals express expectation. Stop right there. You must not smoke here. Prohibition denies permission. Look back. When I was young, I would play outside. We use would for past habit.
I see.
Grammar rule alert. Modal takes base verb only. He can swim. He can swims. Not swims, just swim. Modals have no infinitive or ing form. For example, it's incorrect to say to can or canning. I can, she can, they can. The modal does not change. Add not to form negatives. For example, can becomes cannot, should becomes should not, and must becomes must not. Can you help me? Should we start now? Modal first, subject next. Could can mean past ability, like I could run fast. It can be a polite request, could you pass the salt? And it can express possibility, it could rain later. One modal, three meanings. These elevate academic tone. Modal verbs are magic. They shape destiny in language, turning plain words into promises, predictions, and possibilities. If this masterclass empowered you, like, share, subscribe to George K's ETV, comment.